What's up, Flawless Gang? I'm back with a brand new video. Today we're working with Kisslove hair, y'all. They sent me a 30-inch body wave 13 by 6 HD transparent lace frontal wig. Do y'all see this texture right out of the bag? So full and so pretty. Oh my god, I love this wig. This is my longest wig ever that I've done on my channel, and I am obsessed with this wig. This is the inside and construction. The lace comes already pre-plucked somewhat, and then the lace is just really nice as well. The body wave texture is beautiful, so we're gonna get into it and get installing this wig. So they sent me a couple gifts. They sent me an HD wig cap, that's always appreciated, a nice melt band, an edge brush that I can use for my clients, also a nice razor that I could use also for my clients, lashes, and then here is the unit. So like I said, 30 inches. Y'all see how long it is? I couldn't even get it in the frame. Like, I already styled it, as always I do for all my wigs that I install. So we're going to do a bust down today. I feel like it's only right to do a bust down when you have long hair, just to showcase the length. That's what I love to do, because you can always style wigs different ways after you straighten them. I feel like curling should be like the last thing that you want to do, or crimping, because straightening should be the first thing. I feel like it's always the best to showcase the length. So going in with my wig dealer touch-up gel, y'all know that's my favorite. You guys have been here for a minute. That's my favorite gel to adhere my wigs. I'm just going to do 2 layers. I do 2 layers on each section. I do 3 sections, and I do 2 layers on cool air, and then I just lay my lace down and I put my band on. So that's going to be the intro for right now. I'm going to come back in a second to give you guys my final review. But y'all, I'm already telling y'all now, this is my favorite wig that I've done in a long time. Like, I love long hair, and Kisslove hair did not let me down. Like, when I tell you 30 inches is not an easy length to give someone, because there's not a lot of good 30-inch wigs out there. Like, a lot of them get super thin. Like, it's sheds like crazy. I can say right now, I've had this wig on for like a couple days, and this hair has not shedded a lot like most wigs. The lace is amazing. The density is so good for this to be 30 inches and 180. Like, 180 density for 30 inches. A lot of times you're getting like super thin bundles, and this wig is constructed so well. Like, I love this hair so much, and the quality of everything is just amazing so far. So I'm going to let you guys keep on watching. I'm going to give you guys my review, but I'm already loving this wig. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm going to come back in a second.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger she don't need to know. What's going on, it won't be on for long. Oh.
Okay, y'all, so when I do my installs, I like to comb out the hairline, because when you're using like a gel or a spray, sometimes it gets all intact in the hair. So just to, ensure that everything stays nice and neat and sleek throughout the entire install, I love to comb out the hairline when I do apply any type of gel or spray, because I'm going to go in with spritz after this to melt the lace once I do cut the lace off, and I'm going to repeat the same process again. But y'all see how nice it's already starting to set in from the gel. Now we can start combing it out again and going right in to cut the lace, and then we can apply the spritz so we can go on and do the last melt so we can start styling. So I'm going to give you guys my review now because this video is not going to be super long. It's pretty much straightforward. But Kisslove hair did not let me down, and I was so curious because 30 inches is, like I said, it's not something that is like easy to give someone, you know? And I feel like to get a 30-inch wig, like a lot of people don't expect much. They expect it to be thin, like right off the bat. But when I got this wig, like out the bag, like I was like, no way, this is 30. Like y'all should have seen my Instagram story. I was like, no way they sent me a 30-inch wig and it's thick. Like y'all don't understand. Like a 30-inch wig that has some density is like the ultimate perfect find. That's what everyone's looking for. Long wigs that have great density. And Kisslove hair is definitely on my top list. They are Shalisha Marie approved. I thank you guys so much for sending this over. I truly enjoyed installing this. It was so easy to install. I love the weight, the density of this hair. It performed beautifully. It presses out so bone straight, and I'm sure it definitely curls up very nice as well from the original curl pattern. I'm definitely going to be curling this wig soon because I have been wearing it straight for a minute, but I will be wearing it in curled version, or even crimps maybe. I might try crimps. I haven't done crimps in a long time, but it's 30 inches, so I might be here for all day. But yes, I'm going in with the spritz like I had mentioned to you guys, but nonetheless, I do recommend this wig, and I will have this wig linked below, guys. Check them out. They have some amazing quality hair, and I'm super impressed with my experience. I truly hope we can collaborate again in the future, and I definitely recommend them for hair. You guys can check them out. I'll have the link for this wig below along with their website. You guys can check everything out. If you're looking for anything else, they offer so many different wigs, so many lengths and textures. So check them out, guys. I will have the link below. And with all that being said, y'all, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you are not already. We are on the road to 100K, y'all. We are at 92. We are growing and climbing that ladder, y'all. I'm telling you, we getting so close. It's insane. So stick around and stay tuned for more content. Follow me on all my social media. That's where I'm at when I'm not here on YouTube. Definitely Instagram. That's where you guys can find me. And also, y'all, I just reopened my P.O. box, so y'all will actually see that in my next vlog I'm dropping after this. I've been filming on the back end for a minute. I got some videos planned for y'all, so stay tuned. But I will have the new P.O. box linked below because I had to get a new box, but y'all find out all the details from the vlog, so that'll be up next. But with all that being said, y'all, I will have this link below. Make sure you guys go check out Kisslove hair. And with all that being said, I will catch y'all back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.
Look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over, even when you're gone. Just go strong, just leave it alone. But you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on, we're in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my